Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's another Monday, and I'm back at Aldi. I just got home from a whirlwind of drive to Canada, spend 2 nights there, drive home, get back last night. I'm very tired. I didn't want to go grocery shopping, but we still need to eat. So I'm going to get in there, get my goods from Aldi, get my week of groceries, and I'll share with you my meal plan at the end. So let's go see what they have. Okay, these are a staple in my son's lunch. He just gets a little bit every day, but he loves them. $4.09. I was really hoping for some red sticker luck because I'm needing 2 packs of these this week, but no such luck. I do have one in my freezer, I think, but just to be safe, I'm getting 2 because we're having butter chicken twice this week. And I am getting the garlic, $4.29 a piece. My husband wants nachos for dinner this week, so I'm gonna get the restaurant style at $2.09. Pita's still a big win for Elsie for her lunches. I put hummus and cucumbers in it, $2.89. This gets me almost 2 weeks. White bread for my boys, $1.29. I'm getting a pound of strawberries this week, $3.99. I like buying them in season more, but my daughter asked for them. I'm making ziti tonight, and I'm gonna roast cauliflower on the side, $2.79. Mini cucumbers. I'm actually going to get 2 bags of these, $1.89. You know, my kids have been loving these lately. 85 cents for cilantro for butter chicken. I came in here last week and I didn't share a haul, but I bought some of this. I'm excited to try it. And I bought chicken egg rolls that we're going to have tomorrow. So I'm not buying them, but I bought them last week. I found them on sale, $3.49. But I love these. I air fry them. We baked 3 double batches of cookies last week, so we're running low on eggs among other things, so I need more at $1.90. $2.67 for milk, 2%. I need this for butter chicken and for the ziti, $4.69. We are in charge of a pickle relish tray for a family Christmas this weekend, so I'm gonna get 2 of these chili cornichons. I probably said that wrong, but they're $1.99 a piece. I'm only gonna get 1 of these wild garlic stuffed peppers, $3.49 a piece. I hope I get to eat them all. I need 2 cans of diced tomato for my butter chicken, 88 cents each. I'm getting black beans for the nachos for the non-meat eaters. And then for the chickpea noodle soup, instead of chicken noodle soup, I'm getting garbanzo beans, 79 cents for garbanzo beans, 77 cents for black beans. I don't do this often, but I know my kids love this when I get it. I'm gonna get a can of this for dinner one night this week. We have lots of apples and oranges to eat up, but I also know that they'll like these. $1.29, and I only get the in fruit juice, not in heavy syrup. I'm gonna get bread and butter pickled chips, $2.19 for the tray. I'm also going to get a can of large black olives, $1.75, and now we love the stuffed green olives, but we're getting a big jar from Costco that has jalapeno and garlic and the olive at the same time, and they're so good. And I had to dig for this. The jar's a little suspect, but the pepperoncinis, $2.29. My kids love these, and I know they'll love to have them on the relish tray. Oh my gosh, my girls used to wear nightgowns like this all the time. Kind of makes me sad seeing this because they don't anymore, but they have lots of cute character pajamas, squishmallow slippers, non-squishmallow slippers. Oh. Okay, so men's 7-8. I think I wear a men's 9. Am I looking at these for myself? Yes, I am. That's my husband's size, 13. Okay, I just looked through both boxes, and this is the only 9-10. I really like the herringbone, so I'm probably going to pass because I do buy slippers on clearance and have a nice stockpile, but I really like those. But for $9, it's a great deal. So I'm guessing this is meant to be like a Lululemon dupe. The neoprene convertible bags, only $7.99, lots of colors. Really thick, cute slipper socks. They have kids ones. Oil diffusers, 12 days of cat treats. Oh, split antlers. I'm sure my Emmy would love that. Probably not big enough for her though. Really cute beds. Pet throws. All the things your dog and cat might love. These are cute. Mini frosted dog treats. Come on, how cute. Oh, punch needle kit. My mom loves to do punch needle. $4.99. Let's see what I wanted to see. Okay. We do Elf on the Shelf, and it drives me bananas, but I thought this would be fun to make it look like our Elf shrink. Plus, I love to get these for my kids' stockings, so I'm gonna look through them all and see what I find, but I'm getting this one. They're $3.99 a piece. No, I'm not super impressed with their selection because most of these I have seen before. Like I bought the world's smallest Uno, or I bought Connect 4. I bought this for my husband's desk before, so I guess maybe we don't need to get, yeah, and these are all torn apart, so we don't need to get anything here. I think they're adorable, but I think I bought all of these in the past because that's how much I love them. But I am excited. I'm gonna make it look like our Elf shrunk. I don't know how I'm gonna do it or what I'm gonna do with this, but something with our Elf. Cute for $3.99. Lots of great fun other gifts here. They have coding books, kids' electric toothbrushes, watches, hair accessories, coloring books. Lots of different things here. Hover soccer ball. Magnet tiles. My kids love magnet tiles. Oh, I like this. Little Lego sets. I think I'm gonna get this. My son's just getting into Lego. $8.99. That'll be nice. Hopefully he doesn't see this pop up on his YouTube feed. These are pretty. Guess I'll get these too. $2.49 for 30 bows. Rice is on the menu this week. I hope this is the same rice I've been buying for years, just rebranded. I love the jasmine rice here. I buy these giant 5-pound bags, $5.59. I'm getting the Aldi brand of Rotel for queso dip. My husband wants me to make 89 cents, but I did have to get the queso blanco Velveeta at Walmart. Okay, so I'm making a ziti today, and I'm gonna give you guys a secret. Ziti's not necessary. You can use penne instead when Aldi sells penne and not ziti. 98 cents. I'm getting wide egg noodles for the chickpea noodle soup. $1.43. Okay, well, this is a first. They don't have any Aldi brand chicken broth, which is a bummer to me because I like the Aldi price better than the non-Aldi price. I guess I'm gonna get 2 Swansons at $1.97 a piece. I'm not sure when I'm gonna make them, but when I do, I need my chopped walnuts. $2.49. They're on clearance for Russian tea cakes, my favorite Christmas cookie. We are almost completely out of flour and sugar, so I'm getting 2 things of flour at $1.99 a piece, and I'm actually gonna get 2 sugar at $3.09. I'm not buying it. I don't like or eat fish, but I wish I did because I love Red Sticker 50% off. Buying this again, $5.29. I hate buying these, but my daughter hates to take lunch, and this is something that she'll eat. So you give and you take as a mom, right? $5.29. Let's see if there's anything new in the cases. We have all the holiday birds. We all know that. There's a leg of lamb. I haven't seen that here yet. And then we move on to the entire case of hams. And we see seafood, shrimp, lobster tails, crab cakes. Ooh, that looks good. Creamy garlic pesto chicken skillet. Okay, why'd you have to add chicken? Obviously my vegetarian's not gonna eat it with the chicken. Pizzas. So I'm gonna report back. We did enjoy this cauliflower, or this broccoli. It was all right. I wouldn't buy it again. I prefer to season it myself. But I see the cauliflower here is on clearance for $1.32. So I'll probably get the, let's take a poll. Will my kids eat the colorful cauliflower. I think so. Still got breadsticks. There's turkey meatballs and hot fries, crispy circles. Pretty much a lot of the same things. Spinach and cheese blossoms. These look pretty good. Caramelized onion and Gouda puff pastries. Pretty yummy looking. Cranberry and feta. Biscuits and different desserts. I don't see any new desserts here. Just kind of rearranged a bit. Okay, I need mozzarella for the ziti, $3.69. And then I'm really happy to see, I haven't seen these in my Aldi for a while, but the 2-pound bags of cheddar, $6.99. Obviously I need this for nachos, I need this for lots of things, but we love shreddy chetty. 2 pounds. Although, actually, I'm gonna put this back. The 2-pound is always a price break, but the 1 pound is on sale, so I'm just gonna get 2 of these instead. Psyched myself out. You guys already know, we're back on the hummus train. I'm gonna get 2 of them, $2.49. Between the pita, the cucumber, and I have a bunch of carrots. This stuff goes fast. My girls love it. Heck, I love it. I'm going to get the Southwest guac again. We generally don't get through one of these before it's like dark, but this is the perfect size, and me and my girls love that it had the black beans in it, so we got it last week. Definitely getting it again. This is the cauliflower rice I generally buy, but I found a bunch of it on clearance at Meijer, so I don't need this for a while, but that's what I use for butter chicken generally. And I always make a bag each night of the steamed broccoli, $1.09 a piece. For years, we've bought the aerosol whipped cream for hot chocolates, but my kids have suddenly wanted me to get tub instead, and I think it's a better value, so no problem, 99 cents. It was hard to get to, but I got 3 of these at 89 cents a piece. I'm gonna get these to serve with the ziti tonight. I just know my kids will love them. $1.25. I was gonna get the potato ones, but they're $2.89, and I don't think they'll love them that much of a difference. Lots of holiday sweets. Lots of fun things over here. Cornucopia chocolate's still on clearance. Sugar cookie donuts look cute. I was trying to avoid making these with the melted chocolates, but my husband said no. So I'm getting the pretzels, $1.99. He loves them. And the holiday M&Ms, $3.96. Yikes. And unfortunately, they only have kisses, and he likes them made with the hugs, which I do agree. It's like 10 times better. So I'm gonna have to look for those, but if we're gonna go through the effort, we might as well make some with Robos too, right? $3.96. Okay, I know this is something that seems ridiculous, but I love having an electric salt and pepper mill so much. These are on clearance in my Aldi for $7.50. This would be a great gift, and it's also great to have in your own kitchen. You guys, I waited. Last week they had so many of these, and I only can find 2 now. So wish me luck. I'm gonna get these 2, and hopefully I can find a 3rd somewhere, because I have 3 kids. Okay, here it all is. Any guesses on my total? I think this holiday aisle really did me in. Okay, as I was heading to checkout, I saw this $4.99, and I just love it, so I'm getting it. Okay, my total was $171.39. I guess I better pay now. Okay, here's my meal plan for the week. Today, Monday, we're making ziti in the Instant Pot. I found a bunch of marinara in the fridge that we had recently just as a marinara dip, so we have so much left. It was a great way to use it. And I'm making roasted cauliflower with that. We have bread from Walmart. I'm making fried rice. I don't use a recipe for this. I'm sorry, I'll share like something similar, but I use half rice, half cauliflower rice, and then I load it with veggies, sesame oil, soy sauce, garlic, onion. Really simple. It is vegetarian. And then I have chicken egg rolls that I bought at the end of last week at Aldi that I'm gonna air fry with that as well. We're having butter chicken for 2 nights. I make so much food. We make the butter chicken sauce with chicken, paneer, cauliflower rice, steamed broccoli, and naan. So it's so much food that it is worth having 2 nights in a row. It's a family favorite. My husband requested white queso using the queso blanco Velveeta. That's something I did also have to get from Walmart. But I'm making pan-baked nachos with beef or black beans, depending on who you are in my family. Then we'll have the queso on the side, guacamole, pico, whatever toppings you want. Saturday, we have a family Christmas where I'm in charge of like the relish tray, so onions, pickles, peppers. And then finally on Sunday, I'm making chicken noodle soup, and I'm also gonna make chickpea noodle soup, which is, my older daughter loves it. It's basically like a vegetarian version of chicken noodle soup. So this is our meal plan for the week. It's been a while since I shared, but I made an entire video on how I make this butter chicken meal. It's truly a family favorite, and you should check it out right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.